Elite 3 by Bidet, optimum cleansing technology at your fingertips. Featuring the new Elite 3 by Bidet, an affordable, practical, and effective way of improving your health. The Elite 3 is not electric and does not require electricity or batteries to operate. It runs solely on natural water pressure from your household's fresh water line, therefore eliminating any extra energy costs. Reinforced ABS resin material is used to guarantee sturdiness, and its well-designed double-sided body structure protects internal water lines. The Elite 3 is much like its predecessor, except it comes with dual nozzles, which provide a more thorough yet gentle posterior and feminine wash. Dual nozzles come equipped with a self-cleaning system and extend and retract from behind an ingenious splash guard only when in use to prevent unnecessary contamination. The Easy Access control panel comes equipped with our exclusive positive stepping pressure control knob, which provides outstanding user-friendliness. The user can actually feel and hear the settings as they change. The Elite 3 also has a convenient nozzle selection knob, which gives the user the choice between a feminine wash, posterior wash, or to clean the nozzles, depending on your preference. The Elite 3 comes with a quality stainless fill valve hose and a 7/8" or 3/8" T-valve for quick and easy installation. The Elite 3 was designed so that installation could be done without a plumber or at any other unnecessary costs to you. In an effort to maintain high-quality service and satisfaction for our customers, Bidet has taken customer concerns to heart and applied extended body style that can now fit a wider variety of toilet sizes while still functioning to peak standards. No more than 4 inches of space next to the toilet is needed to install and use the Elite 3. Its compact design was created with you in mind. The Elite 3 is an unmistakable example of bringing the customer's needs to the drawing board to design a better product with features that you wanted at an affordability that you wanted. The Elite 3, the easy, practical, and affordable way to ensure exceptional personal hygiene.